All right, welcome back. So I just want to go through this video. It's going to be two different clips of, two different clips that we are going to use here. One is the one you are seeing here. All right. But before then, let me just touch something about what CS posted later yesterday night about the condition of a commander called Commander Thunder. That is alleged that some other commanders under Botozo have threw him into pit or something like that. So we don't know the update yet. We don't know what happened. But let's focus on Nigerian military and their statement, their advice, revealing what they are going through in Nigerian military. So the reason is for you to know, in case you want to join, for you to have knowledge of what is going on there. This is not me telling you what to join or not to join, but let us hear from those that have joined, their experiences and their own advice to you that want to join. Now, having said that, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. This morning, we are not going to waste much time. All right. This, our brother here, is in Nigerian military. And he has some advice. He has some advice to you that are planning and nursing in your mind how to join Nigerian military. So these are what you should expect. Let's quickly go to his own video to understand what it takes or how it feels to be a Nigerian soldier and what life is all about to them that are already there. Now listen.
Today I'm going with a little advice.
Let me take it back a little bit because I played it before.
So good morning, gentlemen.
Okay.
Today I'm going with a little advice for those of you young guys that are looking for this Nigerian army and this armed forces military job. You could not enter. Make I tell you the truth. Because
did you hear that? Make you not enter. Make I tell you the truth. Not from me. This is a Nigerian army. All right, and he made the video. This video is on TikTok, as you can see here. So somebody shared it to me, and shared not the direct video, but the video also is on X. And somebody sent the link to me. Then I have to download it. Not only this one, there's another one. It is funny that some of us refuse to know what is happening around us, and I thank God. I give credit to some of them in army, Nigerian army, that summoned the courage to advise the public for them to know what it takes to be in Nigerian army. Listen.
This country, we need to kill us like this, but people like see we are similar to ants or something like that. It's not. I know some people will think that I don't want you guys to enter because maybe I'm enjoying it or something like that. There's nothing like enjoyment in the armed forces. Let me tell you the truth. There's nothing like enjoyment. It's just because you love your country. That's why you are doing this job. But it seems like the country did not care about. You understand? So it's better for you to go and look for capital and start your side business. We that have already entered. You don't enter. You have to see the end of it. But my brother, this job is not easy. This is a small advice. If you like, take it. If you don't like.
Now, he said you should go and look for a capital to start up a business. Like if you are joining because there's no job, and after all you are vibrant enough, you can do frog jump. You can do hard training. If they allow you to run through the test or the exercise that require you want to be taken as a Nigerian army or to be in army for Nigerian armed force, that you will pass. But that is not the end of it all. That your life and your livelihood will be jeopardized. Now, he said you should go and look for capital to start up a business. Which business? The business that they will end up setting a place. You understand? So everything is somehow shaking. You cannot, be proud as, okay, now I am here. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. No. Because at the end of the day, you will start looking for a way to solve your problem. Sometimes it's not even easy for you to solve because at the end of the day, you will end up going back to square one, whether you have capital or not. Because not only Nigerian army is decaying, other things. If you join police, air force, name it. Is it you want to become a politician? Do you know what it takes as well? So nothing is easy there. But issue of Nigerian military, why that one is looks like it is somehow more difficult and more deadly is that they will send you, to go and meet the Chukwu Okabiama very fast. Not because they are weak, but they are doing it deliberately because they are trying to protect one ethnic group and expose the other one. You know what I'm talking about, and I'm not going to be the one to reveal those things. Let us hear again another side of the story. But before then, let me bring this screenshot for you to see. All right. Then after that, we now go through the lamentation of another army about the situation of things to them in Nigeria. Now let us read this. This post is made by this Chooks. Okay, I don't know if he's a military man or not, but I saw this post because this post is where the video that we're about to watch is attached to this very post. The post says, "Where did Nigerian soldiers get it wrong?" Falcons, that's female national football of Nigeria, female, not male, players just played ball for 1 month, and the president gave them 150 million each with an apartment. Some soldiers are not earning up to 100,000 a month. Some joined the military this month and died in the next month. They died in the next month at war front. Let me take it again. Some soldiers are not earning up to 100,000 K a month. Some joined the military this month and died in the next month at the war front. The question is, war in which zone? Who is the cause of the war? Who is enabling the war? Who is financing the war against Nigerian military? If you ask if Nigeria has 36 states, in this 36 states, in the 30 states that make up Nigeria, can you tell us they have also geopolitical zone? Where in each of the geopolitical zone, where do you think Nigerian soldiers, where is war going on? Official war, not a war of arbitration or whatever they call that going on in the Biafra land. That one is highly complicated. Highly complicated. The one in Southeast, because they are now using Igbo people to fight Igbo. So it's more or less like Igbo fighting against Igbo. That's why I'm seeing it. Because one useless businessman or in Igbo land, like I don't want to mention anybody, the recent one who claimed that he's going to fight and donate to so billion. If you don't know, then you are not following us here because I've mentioned the name many times here. Claiming that he's going to do this, he's going to do that. Like the one also trending, his voice is trending called, what is the name of this? What is the name of that guy that lives in Israel? They call himself Ebe Kodike, right? These are people that are causing war in Eastern part. Then now in the North, that is where the war is official. Because there you have Boko Haram for more than how many years now? During the time of Jonathan, you can count it. Almost 20 years now. Almost 20, if not, it's not up to 20 years. Since then, until I think 2012 or 2011, until this day, Boko Haram is still in existence. There's no arrest against this financier, no. But they are trying PM in Finland for that. They are tracing the finance. So that's why if I see any average Igbo person, I'm not talking about other Biafran, other tribes that make up Biafran. No, I'm talking about Igbo-speaking tribe in Nigeria. Okay, if I see in this the politicians and the business people, happy innocent complaining, I feel like because some of us are very, very foolish. PM is going through trial in Finland. Why? Because they're on attempt to trace financiers. 2 people was arrested about financial related issue in Finland, going through trials. But since the era of Boko Haram, since the emergence of Boko Haram in Nigeria, there's nobody standing trial financing Boko Haram. They have metamorphosed from Boko Haram to ISWAP, ISWAP now to banditry, banditry to herdsmen to now hunters. The list go on and on. In one location and nobody is facing trial, no account has been freezing, because nothing whatsoever. And as a neighbor man, your own is to go from house to house, threatening that. These are the problem. I'm not going to tell anybody what to do about this kind of people, because I'm not promoting violence. I don't want to sound like as if I'm promoting criminality. But anybody if you have your sense, if you still have your sense intact, let it tell you what you need to do. So we are not here for that, though. I'm just saying that because if you know, you know. Now the soldier complained that some soldiers are not earning up to 100K. Some joined the military this month and died in next month at war front in the north. And you know why? Most of them dying are being figured out as a Christians, as an Igbo person, as from south, as from southern part of Nigeria. Some joined the military this month and died in next month at war front. The money senators receive every month is more than what soldiers earn in 35 years of service. Soldiers cried out as he sent a strong message to the president down to the councillors in a state. Now, let us go to this video we are talking about. Just hear this, because it will help you to understand what we are talking about.
Wow.
A lot is going on.
Wow.
Let me
wow.
see.
Wow.
Just pay attention.
Nigeria, our country. It is fine.
Listen.
This video where they do I'm like this. And they do this video. And they dedicate this video from the seat of councillor down to the seat of president. This video na for una. In fact, to all our leaders. Now no see am. Person just do work for 3 months. You no even reach a month. It will be 3 months. Nigeria president is signing 160 million for each person. All the players, they are 24 if I am not mistaken. 160 million for each of them. And all the coach, they are collecting 80 million. 80 million. All the player, president give them 3-bedroom flats, each of them. And a Nigeria soldier, number one security of this country, money where they pay him from the very day where the person go join army till 35 good years. That is when you have luck to serve the 35 years. Plus the one where they will pay you, say you don't retire, may you go rest. If you join them together, you know rich money, whether they give those gears where do work of 1 month. The money where they give each of them now, join them together, they throw off where they even win, you know richer. They say they make Nigeria proud. A soldier that have been suffered, die, some of them no return, go their village with their hand. Some no go with their ears, some no go with their two legs, some no go with their spinal cord, some died in the bush like animal, bed in the bush. Animal eat their flesh, they were nowhere to be found. Money where they pay them for salary. A private soldier that pass out today, money no reach 110, 130, he no reach. Before they go even pay that money, all the stone and the wood, all of them go cry before the money go come. And person will just work for 1 month, they collect 160 million plus apartment. Wetin soldier do now? Wetin soldier do the country? But the whole die, when soldier they die. Some go join today, they don't even chop 1 month salary. To bury him as a hero, money no day to bury him. Some no even chop 2 months salary, money no day to bury him. A senator, they collect 29 million every month. Money where soldier work for 35 years, he no even reach money where senator they collect for 1 month. Those years now, they collect 160 million because they win the trophy, and the trophy no even reach wait till the gather give them. Plus the one where governors donate together. Well, the only thing when me at the thank God be say, nobody they bribe death. If death come, nobody they bribe her. Take this one, I beg, no kill me. Take this one, I beg, no kill my children. You know, if you don't come, you don't come. You never take Buhari, don't go. I want see person who go right and see as Buhari go there, na him be president for there. I want see the person who go right and come go read am. The way that they bring animal husbandry, gbogbo history, gbogbo for the country. See, if Abacha no fit carry this word, this country, go grave with am, go dey for there, nobody go fit do am again. And I still dey talk this thing, one day God will climb horse, enter Jerusalem. That the way that they sing Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna for freedom, happiness and joy. God will comot Israel from the hand of Egypt that time. That the same God go locate Nigeria one day, where military go comot from civilian hand, where joy go dey. One day, God will use one civilian for there, he go still use am for Nigeria, when Nigeria go still better. House where soldier dey sleep for barrack, even a senator dog no go fit enter that room. Well, I still thank God. Buhari don't do it, he don't go. Abacha do it, he don't go. Well, I thank God. The thing where soldier do now, na go talk am. Because God dey help where you know they sleep. That God where you know they sleep every night and day they see him. And that is him God go fight for soldier one day, especially other rank. The kind God where use other rank for another country, you go use one other rank for this country. And by the special grace of God, it will come to pass. See the time where they do this video, 2:52 a.m. Now they do this video. So today, now 30th July 2025. Now they do this video. So please, anybody who see this video, help me to share them, they carry them, they go. God will fight for one country where other rank go there. That the same God, he go fight for this country. One other rank go comot this country. Where would they so? He go comot them the way God used Moses comot Israel from Egypt hand. God go use one other rank comot this very country from pains, from tears, sorrow, everything. What would they pass through? And I just they do on our own. That God they watch. And like as I talk now get money, now children know they did this country. Now children they another country, they watch us for television. How soldier they die. Then I no worry. That God they watch. I clap hand for you, Mr. Tinubu. Thank you very much for make them happy. Thank you very, very much for make them happy. No wahala.
You see, one thing you need to understand is that some soldiers decided to resign while some are still in the service, complaining and lamenting. Reason why Nigerian soldiers is totally different from other country soldiers is this. They allow themselves to be used to perpetrate a kind of evil, I don't want to say crime, but corruption, simply because of what we get what I will gain. Do you understand? Which is very, very bad, because in as much as you are supporting evil, evil will, of course, will get to you. Soldiers are meant to correct any error. Like if leaders are misbehaving, the only fear they're supposed to have are soldiers, because they can overthrow them, they can take over and change everything. Look at Burkina Faso today. It is their soldier, but in Nigerian soldier, the politicians have asthma them, use them to commit a lot of crime. The system is highly corrupt. That's why there's no remedy. No remedy at all. What civilians are doing in the so-called democracy now in Nigeria is worse than what Nigerians faced during the military regime. Some of you may disagree, but I will tell you. Mention one thing that happened during military regime that is not happening now times two. Is it executing people? It is now. How many of you remember man Lafia? I hope I pronounce his name. The former CBN of Nigeria, that man that called out for people that said that Christians need to sit at home. Sit at home, that everybody is criticizing. The man was calling for Christians to start sitting at home to protest. But if you see a Christian Nigerian soldier in Nigerian military fighting against such order, whereas Muslims in Nigerian military are promoting Muslim ticket in military. So the system is very, very corrupt. There's no way it can stop anytime soon, because they know what they're doing. They understand what they're doing. It is terrible, highly, highly terrible. Anyway, I'm not going to say much. I just want to share this with you so that you'll know. And don't forget the advice of the first soldier who said, if you want to join, see what we should expect. I'm not encouraging you to join. That we are still there because I've signed for that. It is not easy for them to resign. Not easy. They will start looking for you how to buy and all that. A country without, human rights, not at all. They don't obey their own law, like Martin said, which is true. Please make sure you like the video and tell me what to think about it. It is very, very sad that even our own people who claim that they understand what is going on, we need to navigate our way out from this mess, are now turning against our own and committing. The corruption have penetrated into people's mind and bone. So nobody is safe from this corruption, to be honest with you. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me hear from you. What is your take? God bless you and bye.